Hello. Hey, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, Code Others. So today we are going to solve a couple of questions. So which I have created around 10 questions. So this is the table name of orders, and the column names here are order ID of type int, and customer ID of type int, and order date which is of type date, and order amount of type decimal, and these are the values which are inserted into the table. So first let's let's execute this and just take a look what's inside the table of which is of orders. So this is, we have total 39 rows. So the first question is total orders per customer. So this one we can solve. Let's say here the customer ID 101 101 101. So it has total 3 orders, right? So 1 2 and 3. So we can have, so please in the comment section if I'm wrong, so you guys can send in a comment like if I'm wrong or right. So because I'm a newbie as well, so please guide me. So I really appreciate for that. Okay, select total orders, right? So select customer ID. Okay, let's have customer ID and have count underscore order ID, or we can have count star as well. As total orders from table orders. Group by, we can have here customer ID or 1. So let's check. Okay, so so as we have seen here, so we'll do one thing. So we just order by, we can have as count as total orders, but I would like to mention as 2. So here 1 is the first part in the select statement, and the 2 is followed by the next one. So we can have this. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so let's order by 2. We'll have it in a descending order. Okay, perfect. So customer ID 113 has total 3 orders, and 102 has 3 orders, and so on. Okay, perfect. So next question is total order amount per customer, right? Okay, so we can copy the same one and let's go down. Here instead of, okay, first let's check what's inside the table, like the column names and stuff. So we have the order amount, right? So we can do one thing. So here instead of count, let's rename it as sum, and let's have the column name as order amount, and let's run it. Okay, perfect. If you see here, for customer ID 113, the total, let's have total amount, and now let's run it. Okay, perfect. It's for customer ID 113, the total amount is 880. So similar is asking for average, so we can just make sure here we can have, instead of sum, let's keep avg order amount as average amount. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so the average amount for customer ID 106 is 500 and so on. You can do one thing. So instead of for group by 2, like by the average amount, we can even do by customer ID in the descending order as well, or else by default it is ascending. So you can do one thing. So you can just remove the DESC part and see, yeah, perfect. So this is from 101, 102, 103, and these are the average amount for each customer ID. And the next one is the maximum order per customer, right? So let's go here. We have a function called max. Maximum order amount. Let's have maximum order amount from orders. Let's see the output. Okay, perfect. So for customer ID 101, the maximum order amount is 200, and for 102 it's 320. So this one, customers with orders above average, right? So this one goes like this. So let's say select, we need customers, right? Let's go customer underscore ID. So it basically needs the customers with orders above average. So we can have customer from, select customer ID from table orders where order amount should be greater than the average of the orders, right? So select avg underscore amount from, I mean, we can even use small from or caps, the table name. Okay, first let's check what's the average amount from orders. Okay, so the average is 294. So well, in that case, so let's check the customers with orders above average. Okay, so these are the customer IDs which have the order amount greater than the average. So if you wanted to check, we can even underscore amount. We can even do this. Okay, so if you see here, for customer ID 102, the order amount is 320, but if you see the average amount is 294, so that's the reason why the customers which have the above average has been selected. So the next one is customers who placed orders in both Jan and Feb. Okay, select customer underscore ID, select customer underscore ID, from table. Here it's asking for both Jan and Feb. We can use the extract function, so we can extract month from order date, order underscore date underscore from month is equals to 1 for Jan, right? And next we can use intersect, and we can have this same we can copy this and mention it as 2. So it basically says to get the customers of month 1 and 2, these are Jan and Feb. So these are the customer IDs, so that total number of rows are 10. Okay, perfect. The next one, top 3 highest orders. Okay, top 3 highest orders. Okay, select customer underscore ID underscore ID from orders. We can use order by. Let's use order underscore amount as well, so order by 2. Let's use descending. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see what it shows. Okay, so we need the top 3, right? We can use limit here, limit as 3, so it just picks the top 3. Okay, perfect. So here the customer ID 106, 118 and 112, of order amounts 500, 500 and 460. Okay, total orders for each month. So what are the total orders for each month? Okay, so it is asking for to get the total orders for each month. So we need to group based on the month, right? So select, we can use extract here, select month from order underscore date. Let's has select as month, select orders as month from orders okay, and it even needs the total orders, right? We can use count for order ID. It actually need a total orders. For example, let's say for the month of Jan, we need to know how many orders have been placed for that particular month, right? From orders, group by, we'll use group by 1, which basically means extract. So each month we'll be getting how many orders. Okay, so from let's order by one. So for Jan we have total of 14. We can have this as total orders. Okay, let's double check. So do we only have Jan, February, March? So let's check it out. So if you see here, so okay, we only have 3 months, Jan, Feb and March. Okay, perfect. I think we are on the right direction. So the next question is total order amount for each month. Okay, so it's just the same. So what we need to do is asking for total order amount, right? So let's make the function sum, and it's order amount as total orders amount from. Okay, let's run this. Okay, perfect. For the month, for January month is 3580, and the second month is 3850, and the third month is 4065. Next comes the average. So we can use the same. So let's use AVG for average, and for order amount as average amount from orders. So let's check this out. Okay, so this is the average for the Jan, Feb and March. So and yes guys, so this is pretty much it. So I will be coming with some more more complex queries. So this is just a basic level, and yeah, and please be free to comment and let me know, like and yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe and share, and in the coming sessions I promise that I will come up with some more exciting queries with more complex stuff and all. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Thanks and have a nice day.